I am Gaurav Mittal. I am from a place near Varanasi. I did my 5 years integrated MTech in Mathematics and Computing from ITBHU, and I am working in Bangalore since last 3.5 years as a security researcher. My idea is of a device called ID. It's short for iDevice. So it's a microcontroller device aimed at helping the visually challenged. So I have been working with National Association of Blind since last 1 year, and the device is currently being in research stage, and the first prototype has been built. So this is the first prototype of the device. It has got a microcontroller, some sensors, and a webcam. Gets connected to an Ubuntu phone and does stuff like identification of people and identification of obstacles, and helps a visually challenged navigate through city and identify environment. And this is the second prototype which we are into building stage right now. And this second prototype is due to be in production by next year end. Experience at USpark Live has been a great experience. I never expected that there will be so much energy, so much discussion about the idea, and I will get so much feedback from everyone. And I think it's really going to be great to implement these ideas, what I'm taking away with myself from USpark Live. I think it went far beyond my expectations. Next step, I am looking forward to some support from USpark Live on my idea, on the technical guidance side, and as well as for some financial support to take it to next stage, as well as I'll be in touch with all the great mentors, the superb technologists that have given me ideas, and I'll keep on developing this device, taking input from them down the line.